everyone, welcome to the third session of Basic English Grammar. So today we are going to discuss adjectives. This course is being please rate, review, subscribe and recommend the course. Also please leave your valuable suggestions and comments below. So basically what is an adjective? Adjective is something that modifies a noun or a pronoun by describing, identifying or quantifying words. As in it would tell you what is it like. From the examples I think it will be very clear. What is it like? It will quantify a word that what is the number maybe, or how it is. Let's just look at the examples. For example, the truck shaped balloon. So we know it's a balloon, but we want to know how is it. So to describe that quality, how it is modifying the noun, it is telling you that it is truck shaped. So that is truck shaped balloon. Similarly, Mrs. Morrison papered her kitchen walls. Now there are walls all around the house, but she papered your kitchen walls with hideous wallpaper. Now again wallpaper hai, but how is the wallpaper? The wallpaper is hideous. So again it's an adjective. The small boat foundered in the wine dark sea. Now you know boat के सामने क्या लगा हुआ है? Small, which means that it is telling you that the boat is small in size. It's telling you about the size of the boat. It's in a way quantifying, though not exactly in terms of numbers, but it's telling you that the boat is small. And similarly wine dark, so it's telling you the color of the sea. So again it is modifying your noun. It is telling you how your sea color was. It was wine dark. So an adjective can be modified by either an adverb or by a phrase or a clause functioning as an adverb, right? So now you see in the next sentence, the adverb intricately modifies the adjective pattern. My husband knits intricately patterned mittens. Okay, now you know that mittens are patterned. Okay. So this becomes your adjective. But now this is also being modified by which word? Intricately. That means that the pattern is very intricate. So it has been knit in a very intricate way. Right? So intricate becomes your adverb because it is modifying your adjective, right? So it is intricately patterned mittens. So I hope you get the point, right? Next is some nouns, many pronouns and many participle phrases can also act as adjectives, right? So in the next sentence, both the highlighted adjectives are past participles, which is very clear. Eleanor listened to the muffled sounds of the radio hidden under the pillow. So it is very clear that these hidden adjectives are past participles. Sorry, highlighted adjectives. Okay. Next comes your comparative and superlative adjectives. So you use comparative and superlative adjectives when you compare two different things. Right? And I'm talking about when comparative adjective is between two things. Alright. For example, Jack is taller than Peter. So you're comparing Jack and you're comparing Peter. This is their height and you say that Jack is taller than Peter. Right? So that is a comparative adjective. Now when I talk about superlative adjective, you're talking about the highest degree of a quality. So here you talk about greater than three things, right? Greater than three things, not two things. Sorry, not two things. Exactly, right? When you say Jack is the tallest of all my students, so if you see here, so probably this guy is Jack, so he's tallest amongst the three people, or maybe even more than that. Like maybe you say that Jack is the tallest person of the class. So maybe a class is 30 students and Jack is the tallest person, right? So that becomes your superlative adjective. So in summary, adjectives are something that tell us about the noun. They can be modified by adverbs, which we just saw. There are comparative adjectives like bigger, superlative adjectives than that biggest. When you compare between two things. But when you want to tell what is the highest of it, maybe you will be talking in superlative adjectives, right? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the session. Thank you so much.